Hi everyone. Let us start with SetLanguage Exercise 1.2, question number 6 today. S is equal to set of all square, rectangle, circle, rhombus and triangle. List the element of the following subset of S. So before going to our question here, let's have a quick recap of what is the subset. Subset, as the word defines subset, I mean you are taking any number of set from a bigger set. So suppose let us take a bigger set B here. Okay. So B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it be. And if we take if we take 2 from B to A, then A is called the subset of B. This is the meaning of subset, which means every element. Suppose you can have 2, 3 also, any number of elements. But the thing is, all the element of A is also an element of B. We have 2 here, 2 is here in B also. 3 here, 3 is here in B also. So this is called as, we write it as A is a subset of B. So this is the symbol for subset. And then A subset of B is read as A is a subset of B. You have to put a C and below that you have to put a line. Now, n of A should be less than or equal to B, which means if suppose your A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, then still also this A is a subset of B, because every element 2 is there, 3 is there in B, 4 is there in B, 5 is there in B. But the n of A is 4 and n of A is here also 4. So they have written as n of A is equal to or less than. Less than means in this condition n of A is equal to only 2. So that is less than 4. So either it can be less than or equal to, like in this condition. So this is the next step. If A is not a subset, we write it up. If suppose A is not a subset of B, let us take another A. A is equal to 1, comma, or 1, just 1. 1 is not there in B. So this means A is not contained in B, or A is not a subset of B. So with this small recap, let's move on to our question. Question first. Let's take the solution for this. Set of shades which has 4 equal sides. So for easier purpose, I have rewritten the question here. The set is square, rectangle, circle, rhombus and triangle. So let us start our solution for this question. The subset of S. So we are going to write the subset for S. So you have to write it as subset of S is equal to, we are going to find a set which satisfies this condition. Shape which has 4 equal sides. So thing is, it should have 4 sides. So square has 4 sides, rectangle has 4 sides, rhombus has 4 sides, triangle has 3 sides, circle has 0 sides. Now let us see 4 sides are with square, rectangle and rhombus. And another condition is 4 equal sides. Equal means in rectangle, if you see, their opposite sides are only of equal length. So this gets ruled out. In circle, there is no sides. In rhombus and square, we have 4 equal sides, and triangle also doesn't have 4 sides. So we are going to write the subset for this first subset of set S for the first question is square and rhombus. Now let us move on to the next question. Yeah. The set of shades in which the sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 degree. We know very well the sum of interior angles is 180 degree is only in triangle, because triangle is the only one which has 3 sides. Every angle will be 60 degree here. So it is obviously going to be 3 times of 60, which is 180 degree. So this is the answer. Let us anyway check the other steps. Rhombus. Rhombus has 4 sides. If you blankly see, one side is 90 degree for sure. So 4 times 90 degree, which is not going to be here 120 degree. 4 times 90 degree is 30 36, so 360, right? So this gets ruled out. Even rectangle and square, they also have four sides, so this is also getting ruled out with 360 degree. And circle is a total of, it doesn't have any interior angle, but this angle is 360 degree. Anyways, these are not going to satisfy our condition 180 degree. So in this, our answer will be triangle. So we have to write it as subset of S is equal to, in this condition, it is equal to triangle. So since I doesn't have space here, I'm writing it here, triangle. So there is only one answer for this. And if you go to the next thing, set of shapes which has radius. Again, radius means, let us take a circle. Center point, we have to, from the center to any point on the circumference of the circle is our radius. So this is going to happen only in circle. So here our answer will be subset of S is equal to circle. And let us check why we are not getting the other elements of S in subset. Square. Square is nothing but it's like this. It doesn't have any radius. It has a diagonal and its sides, not any and angles. It doesn't have any radius. Same thing with rectangle and with rhombus and also with triangle. Triangle, it is like this. So another thing is radius happens only you have a circumference like this. Like any curved surface, then you will get your radius. These are straight lines. So it doesn't have any radius. So the answer will be circle alone. Now let us move on to the final question. Set of shapes which has 5 sides. We obviously know 5 sides is, what is the name of any shape which has 5 sides, which is pentagon, right? So we don't have any pentagon shapes here. The square is 4-sided figure, and rectangle is again a 4-sided figure. Circle is no sides, and rhombus is again a 4-sided figure, and then triangle is a 3-sided figure. So this gets rolls up. So what could be the answer for this? Subset of S. Subset of S is equal to, here it will be, can you identify? Yes, it is the null set. You don't have any elements, means that is equal to pi, your null set. So here the subset of S is null set. Hope you understood this question clearly. And I will give a clear notes of this slide, this question in the next slide. Keep watching. Thank you.